Do you believe that a college degree is required for financial success? Do you believe that it's impossible for you to earn 6 or even 7 figures without a high-ranking position in a company? Well, let me tell you, there are several high-income skills that can help you escape the rat race and build your wealth. First of all, what is a high-income skill actually? The answer is the skill that can earn you 6-figure income each year. This means these skills will help you make about $10,000 to $20,000 each month. In this video, I will tell you 5 of these high-income skills that you can learn to start earning some big money each month without a degree. Anyone can become a public speaker as long as they have some sort of information that people are willing to pay for. Many public speakers often charge more than $2,000 per event. And becoming a good public speaker is learning about how to tell a story and then selling it to people who are willing to listen to it. A great example of a public speaker is Tony Robbins. Speakers add value to the audience due to their expertise or authority in a specific field. You can improve your speaking skills by joining Toastmasters, which is an organization that helps people improve in areas of leadership and public speaking. In simple words, copywriters prepare advertising copy for your clients, or you can also work with clients to develop marketing campaigns. It is the art of selling through words. You'll be writing words designed to get the reader to take a particular action. The action varies depending on the requirements of your client. It can be urging readers to purchase a product or click a link in an email. Now, although copywriters earn a flat rate, the best ones can also earn a percentage of sales generated by their work. To become the best freelance copywriter, you can take a course or you can completely learn on the job with an ad agency. If you're able to get your clients to use your marketing consulting services, you can make an additional $100,000 per year in revenue. With this skill, you are actually selling your expertise. An example of a highly paid consultant is Sam Owens, who owns Consulting.com. Digital marketing is a broad niche that can help you make more than $10,000 each month. You can charge your clients $1,000 to $10,000 a month to manage their advertising, grow their business, and help them rank on Google. To become a digital marketer, you need to learn various skills including SEO, inbound marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. You also have to learn various digital marketing analytics tools. One of the best ways to learn digital marketing is take a course with Udemy. You become a high-ticket closer when you sell products or services that earn you a commission of at least $1,000. You can sell the products and services of your clients as an affiliate or might be also selling for yourself. In simple words, high-ticket closing is when you exchange value with the client. Selling is a lifelong skill and it involves more than just persuading a person to purchase something. Selling includes handling objections, prospecting, and closing. In the end, all these skills need a certain level of learning. If you want to make more money, you should master these skills. I would suggest that you find a mentor, implement what they say, and never quit. And to sell these skills and earn money for them, you can join freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com.